Coverage with people, kizing tip nam ta keyboard light cam, kidon ki post balai, kita kilong Bansara Eye Care Center invite candidate for the post of community health worker for Mairang and Nongpo. Te kidon tadi ki post kata ka post community health worker kidon kam arngut ka bare po Mairang kawai Nongpo kawai. Ka salary kilong prahajar shibnai plus ka travel allowance ka qualification di belong pass class 12 finang banken matho English and Khasi, bat nang, bat don, bat nang ru, bat nya, iki two velos. Tela rapidon, iki qualification, pila ban submit ya ki application, biodata, lane ka resume, lengba ke email, kebalong po bansara.pc@gmail.com on or before 24 June 2023. Te thok bha ka PDF lengba ka PDF ya ki application biodata jong phi lane ka resume ki detail baro hang tu la dep pada sasen lengba ki email bansara.pc@gmail.com rapidon interest select ya kawaran kam sakane gawe pada hapo botanical survey of India te ka application invited nam ta ki no India ban one interview ka ar pendu trip na June arjar fly at Botanical Survey of India, Lower New Colony, Laj Umkhra, Shillong for 4 different projects. Kidon South Li kita ki project, tenam tak ni kidon kam kumba prango de emo kita kidon arti kijat pus, te kidon kam prango. Nam tak ni project kalau project kedai exploration and documentation of wild edible plant of Northeast India. Kidon kijing tung klau ki balong ban bam, te ki mud ban le project nam tak ni emo. The research nam tak project the for the state of Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Tripura. Kidon South League state po Northeast kidon kami gini. The ki candidate ki balong ban interest nam ta kini ki post kila ban lej kate ka interview ko balong South Tripura June ka para upload ki dokumen ki bede bat kani ka post. Phapra upload nam ta ki support of essential qualification, experience, age, caste Narang senang kalau pidon MSc dissertation extra in original and submit duplicate copy. Dalam pihara iki original, pihara iki zero copy nam taban submit. But kinom IP ka balik B1 nam tag interview. Take selection kalong engagement of research personnel is purely temporary. Kalong temporary for a period of 2 years. Nam ta arts name and co terminus with the project. It depend on the project laban penkut ne laban continue kat ba kadingat project kan. Take kita kerteng juga post kilong for project associate kane ka ban kong de project associate 1 kidon kam sangut ka fellowship amount ka de life way 1000 plus 4% ka house rent allowance kan ay ka by ying te ka qualification ka de belong MSc in botany lane life science te la rapla dep ikine pidon corporation pila ban lej ka de ka si after the bunai June ka age limit long 35 years as on 26 June 2023. Relaxable as per Government of India norms. Kinang la ban relaxable biang, mud basans nem relaxable hadu suppose nem. Tenam ta ka field workers kinong yarap demo apo field kidon kam sangut kita ka tulop kalong khat prahajar plus 18% house rent allowance. Ni ka qualification ka demlong graduate degree in any discipline la nei BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, BCA any la ban apply. Ngasnem kalong 50 years as on 26 June 2023 relaxable as Government of India norms. Tela da pidon interest man apply nam ta kane pila ban lej ka ar pendu tarik jong mana June hak take office kebala mention hanang masara ik dokumen kidon kambaro second way part advertisement work interview kanero kan direct interview bakan dewe contractual magi post work in interview are invited for eligible candidate for filling up the following posts under PHE department and Ribhoi district Ribhoi purely on contractual basis initially up to 31st March 2024 and may extended based on validity of the project. Kins extend kat kom kajinon kam jong project kat date of interview kan day on 21st June kan mau public direct be ha arpoi trik jumlah June ra ig documents hak tugas ni from 10 AM onwards at the office of the undersigned hakni ka office ka ada mention support mo kapus kilong project manager technical kawai ka vacancy ka tulop kalong life ho 1000 shibnai te qualification bilong BE lane BTech in civil engineering with minimum 5 year of experience in water supplies project non kam 5 year of experience no kaba coordinator ISA kandidat datang kawai ka tulop kalong R ho 1000 shibnai pide bendep master in social science lane master in rural management with 3 years or more experience in IEC sector and or in the field of knowledge management in government sponsor program and most possess computer skill MS Office. Kabalai coordinator of for IMIS kanir tangway katulok long arpojar pide banda BCA lane bachelor in statistics. Preference will be given to those with experience in GIS and MIS application for monitoring of infrastructure project, preferably wash, health and education. Teki badan ke qualification kila aban apply mokat kum kini bela mention hang ni. Only the eligible candidate should come for interview. Tang ki badan ka qualification kila aban one ma eligible badan ke qualification kila aban one. As per qualification mentioned above. The candidate should be accompanied by original copies of all testimonies. Piralo di original yang pi merupakan direct interview. Hakat tugas ni. Age limit will be as per rule and reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya. Note it will be paid to the applicant. The second mau kita buat apa lagi? Select direct way itu kini artikel kita buat direct interview. Nam tak kini post tera ek dokumen original copy penbiang ro ek xerox. Select hakat dekat sini. Kita kini kita jemput college one.